This particular thing here might be one of the reasons you're not getting views immediately. You get my point. Now I'm bringing this to your notice because I know most of us who go to our YouTube analytics and most don't even know that there is something we call YouTube analytics. So from here, you will see this particular one brighter and dark color, and you'll be seeing those marks there. Understand that those things are not for fun. They are not fancy. You get my point. You need to understand what those things mean and the time you are saying that you'll be see 6 o'clock, you see 12 o'clock. You get my point. So you need to understand how it works so that once you post your videos, your audience can watch immediately. That's for audience, for you to know when your audience are online and when they are not online. You get my point? So I'm going to walk you through. So stay tuned and make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end, and hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to this channel if you want to be seeing more of these videos. You get my point? So I don't want to waste much time. So let's dive in. Alright, go to your YouTube Studio. If you do not have YouTube Studio, you go to Google Play Store or your App Store, and you can download YouTube Studio. So look at it here. This one here is a YouTube Studio. So now you click on YouTube Studio. So this is it. You get my point? So here, you click on, you see dashboard here, you see content, you see analytics. You click on analytics here. So allow it to load and open. So now click on audience. So at this point, scroll down because you want to focus on this particular part that says when your viewers are on YouTube. You get my point? The local time GMT plus 0100. That's in the last 28 days. You get my point? Now, let me just click on it so we can zoom it. So look at it here. You see Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. We have 12 a.m., 6 a.m., 12 p.m., 6 p.m. Now, let's go to the better part of it so you will understand. From this particular one, this first one below the line, you get, I would have started from this first one up here, but it's dark. You won't be able to see. You know why you have this particular side from 12 a.m. to 6 a.m.? Because this is midnight. You get, so people would be sleeping by this time. So from 6 a.m., that is when people start waking up, and that is why you have this color here. Now, let's come down to this particular part that says few viewers and many viewers. So when you see this color very bright, that's when your viewers are online. Like a lot of viewers are online. Now, look at this particular one. The darker the color, the lesser your viewers being online. You get my point? So now let's start so that you understand where 12 o'clock is. Some people do mistaken this particular time. You see where this arrow, this particular arrow, this one here. Some people do think this is where the 6 o'clock is, and that is not. Now, this 6 o'clock, if you want to calculate it, is below this arrow here. You get. Now, calculate. Just count it with me. 6, 7, 8. The third one, 8. Now, the fourth one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. The fifth one, 10. Understand? Now, the sixth one is 11 o'clock. Now, you see, 12 o'clock is the first one below the line. That is how it is counted. 1, second one below the line. 2 o'clock, the third one below the line. Understand? Now, the fourth one below the line is 3 o'clock. The fifth one is 4 o'clock. The sixth one, the last one, that's the one on top of this line. You get my point? Is 5 o'clock. So 6 o'clock is going to be the first one below the line. You get? So now you understand when your viewers are online. Now the importance of this thing is to make you know when to post your videos. Now, as you can see on my own channel here, because this channel has been for a long time without posting, for more than 3 months without posting, you get. So that is why things are dropping. It's not supposed to be like this, but I believe you understand your channel will be somehow like this if you're starting new. You get. Alright, so as you can see now, on Sundays, I have less viewers. Apart from the 12 o'clock in the afternoon, that's 12 p.m. I have a little viewers there. Now on Monday, less viewers between 12 a.m. to 6 a.m., between 6 a.m. to 11 a.m. So just 12 p.m. on Monday is when I have a lot of viewers. Guys, you understand what I'm saying? So I don't really want to go about it on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturdays, because I believe from this Sunday and Monday I just illustrated, you will be able to understand it very well. So that is just it, guys. And if you post your videos by this time, it is possible that your viewers will be able to see, the ones that are online, you'll be able to see and watch immediately. That's why you see some videos do fly, immediately you drop it. You will see a lot of views. Immediately you drop it. It's because that time you posted that video, your viewers were online then, so they watch it immediately. So if you post it like me, like this particular one that's very dark, between 12 a.m. to 6 a.m., if you post it, not as if that video is not going to fly, but it will just linger. Understand? It will be slow because your viewers are not online at that time. So maybe you can post a video like in the morning, maybe 6 o'clock in the morning. Then sometimes the video can even fly the next day. You get? The video can even fly maybe after 5 hours, depending on when your viewers are online. You get my point? So this is not automatic that once you post a video by this time when your viewers are online, that you are going to have a lot of views. But it is just a tip for you to understand that if you post it there, it is possible for you to have views immediately. So that's just it, guys. So if this helpful, do well to hit the like button. Click the like button. It is free. Understand? You're not going to pay for it. You get my point? Now, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. And then, if you're not subscribed to this channel, do well to hit the subscribe button. You get my point? So see you in our next video.